Shift our focus now. In a major shake-up for the Shiromani Akali Dal, a group of senior leaders have openly revolted against party president Sukhbir Singh Badal, signalling a split within the party. Now, let's tell you, this comes weeks after the party's dismal performance in Punjab's parliamentary elections, where it secured only one seat out of 13. Now, the revolt, led by prominent figures, including Prem Singh Tanmudra and Bibji Jagir Kaur, culminated in a meeting in Jalandhar where they demanded Sukhbir's immediate resignation. In fact, let's tell you, they have launched the Akali Dal Bachao Leher, which will be launched from July 1st and emphasized the need for leadership with strong political and religious acumen. However, Sukhbir, who was holding a meeting with the district presidents and other leaders in Chandigarh, called the rebel leaders frustrated elements sponsored by the BJP to weaken the Akali Dal. Let me take that development across to my colleague Amandeep. Amandeep, very good morning. As far as this is concerned, what is it that we are picking up? Considering the fact that, Sukhbir Singh Badal, of course, is a prominent figure, but looking at this particular internal fighting and him alleging that the rebels are nobody but elements sponsored by the BJP, is that what we make of it?
Well, absolutely. Now, Sukhbir Singh Badal and his camp is alleging and levelling allegations against the rebel camp. But the point is that those senior leaders who were earlier very close associates of Sukhbir Singh Badal, who remain in the strategy making of the of Shiromani Akali Dal, they always remain, keep their chair along with Sukhbir Badal and discuss the important strategies of the political movements of Shiromani Akali Dal. But now, when they raise the voice and they question the leadership of Sukhbir Singh Badal as a president and was not able to hold the party the way it should be, and now the war of words has begun. But if we just encapsulate the entire situation, Navedna, the point is that after Lok Sabha elections, the poor performance of Shiromani Akali Dal triggered all the leaders. They question the president, Sukhbir Singh Badal's leadership. And in fact, some of them have already lost their deposits in the Lok Sabha elections. From 2017 to 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the performance of Shiromani Akali Dal is declining. So that turned out to be the point. So they are demanding the resignation of Sukhbir Singh Badal as the president of Shiromani Akali Dal. But Sukhbir's camp is saying that things would be settled. They are just the dust and will be settled very soon. And today the disciplinary committee will be meeting today, and in fact Sukhbir Singh Badal will be chairing that meeting, and they will decide what kind of action they will be taking against those who is raising their dissent voices against Sukhbir Singh Badal and his leadership as well. But yes, the party has been split into two pieces. One is demanding the resignation of Sukhbir Singh Badal, and one is saying that we are still with Sukhbir Singh Badal. The party is in a very safe hands and in a developing situation, and now the situation is very critical just because the Shiromani Akali Dal party, Navedna, they are trying to re-establish their political grounds they have lost since 2017. Just because before that, from 2007 till 2017, Shiromani Akali Dal remained in the power in the state of Punjab, and Sukhbir Badal was the Home Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of the state. But soon after 2017, they are nowhere. Their seats has been reduced in the assembly and even in Lok Sabha also. So that turned out to be the worrisome point for the Shiromani Akali Dal, and that is the reason these Prem Singh Chandu Majra, Sikandar Singh Maluka, Bibi Jagir Kaur, Parminder Singh Dhinsa, they are the senior faces, they are the prominent faces of Shiromani Akali Dal, and they started raising that now the party need to change the face of president. So only then the party may establish their political grounds again in upcoming elections in Punjab. So somewhere down the line, Sukhbir Badal has lost the trust.
Since you spoke about Bibi Jagir Kaur, she has said that apparently they tried to speak to the party chief, that is Sukhbir Singh Badal, but he apparently never listens to the other party leaders, is what we're given to understand. But coming to Sukhbir Singh Badal's defense is Daljit Singh Cheema, because he believes in a democracy there's always a difference of opinion, and he makes it a point to say that if one or two people have a difference of opinion, then it's not a revolt. This is just a matter of leaders who would like to see the situation completely differently. If you could quickly summarize that for us.
Well, absolutely, absolutely. The point is that BB Jagir Kaur always tried to put up the word with Sukhbir Singh Badal and try to discuss the problems that she or the party was facing in her constituency. But that was never resolved, and she always remained complaining to the party at the different platforms. And in the defense, Dr. Daljit Singh Tima is just tried to dissolve and dilute the anger of the dissent voices. And in fact, that is the reason he has just softened the attack against those who are questioning the leadership of Sukhbir Singh Badal. And even Daljit Singh Chima is making an attempt to bring them on the party platform to discuss the issues. And that is the reason. But the point is that now the party has split into two pieces. Some prominent senior Akali leaders
Right.
are one side, and in fact the party's leadership on the other side. So let's wait and watch how it going to be unfolded.
Other side.
just
Absolutely,
because
Amandeep.
So far,
We'll
the
have to
situation
interject you there, but you're absolutely right. We'll have to wait and watch as to how this will pan out. But for the moment, thank you very much for drawing more perspective in the given situation. Let's leave it at that because we're shifting